I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the minimal prerequisites done. Make sure you are signed into an administrator account and that you can run commands. Once ready, open Start, type CMD or PowerShell, then choose Run as administrator so commands return full hardware info. You do this because some system queries need elevated access to show model and CPU strings. Make sure to also note your laptop model from the sticker or About page. That model often reveals the CPU family and generation. Now query the system to capture the CPU and model string. In the elevated command window run, wmix CPU getName, or in PowerShell use getSim instance Win32 processor, these return the exact CPU model string. Also open settings system about to copy the device name and model number. You do this because the CPU model number encodes generation information. For Intel, the first digit, S, after the dash usually indicate generation, so record the full string to interpret next. Finally, interpret and verify the data you collected. For Intel, read the CPU string. i7-8565, U shows an 8 as the generation indicator. For newer Intel naming, check the numeric scheme. For AMD, use the series name and support pages to map to a generation. To confirm, install CPU-Z or view the laptop support page. If a command returns nothing, make sure you rerun the terminal as administrator or use device manager. That resolves most permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.